Okay guys, so we have the VKworld S8 smartphone here. This is from GearBest and it's around about £137, so a very budget smartphone. So the specs on this phone, it is another 18:9 ratio smartphone, 2160 by 1080p. Also has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It's a 6-inch screen and also has Corning Gorilla Glass 4. In the box you get all the typical accessories, your charging block which is fast charging, you get a case, your warranty cards, your manuals, USB Type-C charging cable and a SIM tray tool as well. Peeling the front and the back of this smartphone was an absolute pleasure. It is an absolutely stunning design. It does have a plastic back which might let it down for some people, but it does look excellent. Has dual rear cameras, 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel supporting sensor. Front facing camera is at the bottom right as well, which is 13 megapixel. But this phone is looking great. So around the phone we have USB Type-C with speaker and a tiny microphone. Just one button on the side here, the power button. Along the top we have the SIM tray tool, and on the edge, volume rocker. Pretty standard. It's what you come to expect nowadays with smartphones. And this is what you're presented with once it's turned on and you're all set up. For some reason, YouTube, WhatsApp and Skype are already pre-installed, which I don't understand. I've never seen that on a smartphone yet. But this screen, guys, full HD plus, 1080p. It's great. It looks like the Verni X. It's also got the similar wallpaper as well. Very, very sharp and very good colours. Narrow bezels at the edge there as well, guys, and at the top, again, quite small bezels with the earpiece squeezed in at the top as well. Take a look at settings. There you go, it is running Android 7. Any wireless updates available? Nope. They normally show up at the top if they're available straight away. Let's drop the brightness down a touch. This does have Face ID recognition and also the fingerprint sensor. Let's go and set them up and see how well they perform. Okay, the fingerprint test. Let's find it at the back. Yep, it's accurate. A little slow for me though. Nearly 2 seconds, I'd say. 1, 2. Around about 2 seconds to unlock. Isn't very quick. Accurate, but a little slow. Let's try the Face ID. Okay, here we go. Let's add a second face. Ready? Done. That added quite quick. It's got all my body in it, then my face. Let's have a look anyway if that works. Yep. Let's try again. Yep. Try once more. Okay, might even be a little bit quicker than the fingerprint sensor. But yeah, both seem to work alright. A little bit slow for the fingerprint though. Okay, the camera time. Let's test this 16 megapixel camera on the VKworld S8. Okay, try the video mode. Here we are. VKworld S8, testing the audio and the video quality. Please check the frame rates at the bottom left. See if they're high or most normally too low. You should be looking around about 30 FPS for video. Okay, let's fling it round to the front. Please select the phone front camera at the top. Shoot the more beautiful you. Okay. Oh yeah, the camera's there, isn't it? So it's got face detection on there, look guys. That is in beauty mode. It's got face detection. Let's go to normal photo mode. Yep, detecting my face. Let's shoot some video. And here we go. This looks like it's 480p on the VKworld S8. You put my finger there, holding the camera. Your finger gets in the way of the lens. Just hold it differently. But here is the VKworld S8 front-facing camera. Let me know what you think. So we have the YouTube test. 1080p at 60 frames per second is there, which is good. So the full HD plus display looks really nice on the VKworld S8. Definitely one of the plus points. For some reason you can't pinch zoom on this, even though it's the latest YouTube. I updated to the latest version, and normally you can pinch zoom to fill the 18:9 ratio, but for some reason it's not working. But we'll see in the full review. Okay, let's test this loudspeaker. It's max volume at the moment. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Yeah. Good level of loudness. Maybe a little tinny at some moments of the song, but not bad. Okay, so that was the quick unboxing and the quick hands-on the VKworld S8 smartphone. First impressions, especially looks-wise, is absolutely stunning. Specs of decent 5,500 milliamp battery, which I'm going to be testing. Face ID, fingerprint unlock, front-facing camera down the bottom there, which I don't really like. Dual rear cameras, and this beautiful full HD plus display. £137 from GearBest. There's links in the description below if you want to take a look. And yeah, it's great. Bit fingerprinty, but that's to be expected, I suppose, with this plastic back. If there are any questions, then please put them down below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.